Will it blend? That is the question. I got another flat tire on my wheelbarrow. I got a thistle plant, and I keep running over it, so it's got a zillion holes in my tube. And this stuff says that it prevents and repairs flat tires. So let's find out if it really works. I'm going to put a few more holes in it in the Blendtec Total Blender. And it says here to use this proportional to the size of the tire. But you know, if a little is good, a lot's got to be better. I think I'm going to press the Fix a Flat button. Woo! Smells like burning rubber. Boy, I didn't think about how I was going to install this. You think it'll leak?